In this video, I'm going to show you how to exchange currencies on Revolut. And in order to do this, you need to have an account. And if you don't have an account yet, then please check the link in the description where you can get started for free on Revolut. So let's dive into the video right now. So from our Revolut home screen, we are going to click on More at the middle right section. And in here, we're going to click on Exchange. And in here, we can actually exchange, in this case, euros to dollars. But of course, you can select any currency. But let's say we want to exchange €1.50, then we can see what we're getting in dollars. And when you want to finalize this, you can click on Review Order. And let's say you want to swap dollars for euros, then you're going to click on the arrow down. And right now my balance is not enough, but when you do have enough balance, you will be able to switch the other way around. And if you want to finalize your swap, you're going to click on Review Order. And in here you can see everything. You can see the fees. In this case, there aren't any fees. And if you want to confirm it, you basically click on Confirm Order. And that is it. That is how you exchange currencies on Revolut.